Remember that overthinking will only make you feel afraid. It is not a negative thing, but it can drain your mental and physical energy. Focus on yourself, listen only to contradictory voices, and continue to believe in yourself and also God. For the person you can trust the most in yourself. Embrace yourself right now. You have gone through many challenges that you face alone, and at the end, you were able to overcome them. Thank yourself. You may often express gratitude to others, but you often forget to appreciate yourself. You deserve to be happy. You have the right to be proud of yourself. You deserve to be bring to yourself, but do not forget to be a person who is beneficial for others. It is indeed not easy. It feels heavy. However, nothing is impossible as long as you believe and